What will you do when you have so much of healthy greens in your garden? Of course, get creative, right? You can't waste it. So that's what I'm doing here, making spinach parathas. Gardening is so much fun when you are doing it with kids. And here is my little helper helping me. Yay. Yeah? Ooh. Ooh. Wow. So here we are, ready with our freshly harvested spinach and ready to cook. So let's start cooking. To start with, we need to blanch the spinach and puree it. For that, I'm adding boiling hot water into the spinach and I'm going to set it aside for 2 minutes and then puree it. And now for the dough, I'm using whole grain wheat flour. I've taken about 2 cups of wheat flour and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of salt into that. I'm also adding about a tablespoon of ajwain seeds into this. This will give a really nice flavor for the paratha. Now I have pureed the spinach without adding any water. So it was about a cup of spinach puree. I'm adding this into this wheat flour. Now we need to combine the spinach puree and the wheat flour together to make a soft dough. I'm also adding about a tablespoon of oil to make it really soft. The dough will be really sticky to begin with, but as you mix it and combine it very well, it will become nice and stiff. I've kneaded the dough for about 10 minutes to get into this consistency. Once you've nicely mixed it and get into a nice consistency, place it in a bowl and cover it with a wet cloth and rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you can see that dough is really soft. I'm taking a small portion, it's not sticking to my hands. Using a rolling pin, I'm going to flatten it a bit. Then I'm going to fold from both edges to make it rectangle shape. Normally when we flatten the parathas, on each stage we brush it with some clarified butter, but I'm not going to do this. I'm only using clarified butter at the end stage. So again, that rectangle shape, I'm going to roll it out until it is slightly thick. Then I'm going to spread a little bit of clarified butter on it. Then spread it again a little bit more. Now we have made the slightly thick paratha. Now we need to put that on a hot pan. The heat should be on medium so that we can evenly cook both sides by gently flipping it over. Using a flat spoon, you can flip it over and gently press so that all the parts are evenly cooked. Now our spinach parathas are ready to be served. You can either serve it with a nice curry or you can just serve it with yogurt and pickle. If you like this recipe, please try it yourself and please let me know your feedback. Also, please do not forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you soon with another video.